tears into your eyes. Please accept my apology. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, I hope it's not too late. Oh, baby, say that you wait. I didn't mean a word I said. I must have been out of my head. Oh, I hope you're not too late. Everyone does something wrong. Everyone makes a little mistake right now. I'm only human, baby. Please say that you wait. Oh, I hope it's not too late. Sometimes I think this little heart of mine is gonna break right in two. And then again, sometimes I feel so bad, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I can't depend on my mother, my sister, my brother. I can't depend on nobody but you. And since I lost you, I haven't got a thing. I know there's somebody else out there who knows exactly what I mean when I say I just wanna apologize for bringing all the tears into your eyes. Please accept my apology. I'm down on my knees, down on my knees, down on my knees. Please accept my apology, baby. Say you'll stay. Say you'll stay. Don't walk away. Come back, baby. Come back.